गाइस, मेरा नाम है स्वप्निल श्रीवास्तव और कुछ दिन पहले मैंने वन प्लस नोट का प्री बुकिंग किया हुआ था. सो आई जस्ट गॉट इट yesterday and today I thought to make an unboxing video of it, and later I will make an PUBG review and camera review and the whole review of the phone. Okay, so here you can see this is the box, and I got the black version of the OnePlus Nord with the 12GB of RAM, and it costed me around 30,000 rupees. So let's do the unboxing and see what is inside this box. So here you can see guys, this is the box of the phone, and you can see the branding of the phone, that is OnePlus is written here. And this time OnePlus is did the packaging in different mode, because last time I purchased the OnePlus 8, and the packaging of the OnePlus 8 was very different. It was having the very large box, and now the Nord is the like a very compact packaging of the phone. And here on the back you can see the full specification of the phone. Okay, so you can see the color of the phone is the gray onyx, and right here you can see the variant, the RAM variant is 12GB, and the internal storage of the phone is 256GB. Okay, so here you can see the gray onyx variant. So let's do the unboxing and see what comes inside of this phone. Okay, so here I am removing the upper box, and here is the phone itself. You can see, first of all place it side, so you can see. Okay, so you can see some paperwork is given here, and along with that you will get a case like this. So this is very good, and here you can see some sticker of OnePlus Nord and SIM ejector. Okay, and some quick start guide documents you can see, and highest SAR value of the phone, and then this red cable club card which I also got with my OnePlus 8. So right now I have 2 cards of this, and you can see this is the safety information for the phone. So all the documents comes inside this box like this, and I'm just going to put it away, and I don't think there is anything else here. And yeah, so this also welcome letter. So this is the welcome letter that you will get with the phone, and just little bit overview of the phone, that how it's created and what are the team members who are involved in this project. So it's like a OnePlus Nord welcome letter. Okay, now let's place it side. So here you can see this is the cable for the charger, and here is the charger itself. So it is of 30 watt, and it can charge up to 70% in 30 minutes. So it's pretty fast as compared to the price of this phone, which is a very low as compared to the flagship phones of OnePlus. Okay, now let's place all these things aside. Okay, so let's see the phone itself. So here you can see, so this is the onyx gray variant, and you can see it's look very close to black color, but having some gray pattern in it, and name is the onyx gray. Okay, let me just first of all power on the phone. You can see. So let me back after setting up my Google account in the phone, and then I will be back with the phone. So here you can see guys, I just set up my Google account in my phone. First of all, let me reduce the brightness so that it could be visible for you. Okay, so first of all, as comparing it with my OnePlus 8, I think this one is more comfortable in hand, because OnePlus 8 is having curves, and I mostly every time in the day I just touched it accidentally, which is like a very big issue for me. but this screen is very good, a flat screen without having any notch like the OnePlus 7T. So this notch, this cutoff of the camera for front is best for me, and you can see display is pretty good. And let me see, and now refresh rate is set to the 90 Hz, so it's pretty good. So that's all guys for this unboxing video, and I hope you like it. So this is a very simple unboxing video, and I think this is one of my first unboxing video, and I hope you will like it. And if you have any question, any issue, just comment down below. Just if you have any suggestion, anything that you like to tell me for my future uploads, you can comment down below. I will take that note in my future uploads. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, good luck, and bye. Take care.